comparing to like the raves that I've been seeing everybody say, this book is definitely worth it. So baby girl, let's get into the review. Guys and dolls, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are first time watchers, hey, it's Vicky J. Be sure to go ahead and comment down below or hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another update. You take it out of the silver thing here, then you get the one here that says express priority. From there, when you open it, you see B.Simone. Y'all, it is so freaking pretty. So pretty. And then she gives you a repeat after me on the back. So far, 1 out of 10 is definitely a 10, y'all. The packaging had me at hello. So like I said, it reminded me of Ipsy, so I'm super excited about that. Y'all know that I love everything extra over the top, so this silver here just flashed at me like it's here. Oh, this is so cute. So she also includes a page right here. This just flipped out at me as I was turning, and it says faith over fear. Y'all, I don't know why, but lately I've been seeing everything with faith over fear, and like that kind of resonates with me, even as far as like YouTube, because I'm always like, okay, if I do a video and it doesn't do good, then like I'm one of those people that I'm like, oh no, just take it off, I'll redo it, I'll repost it another day. Whereas faith over fear means you do it without fear. So faith over fear. Thanks B.Simone for, you know, just going ahead and giving me that daily reminder. And y'all, I haven't even started the book yet, and I'm super excited. So she even went as far as including emails from business deals and everything between like her and Skittles. And y'all, it's getting good. In the book, I see her vision board. She lets you create your own personal vision board. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And she even included like her writings and different things of that sort. So y'all, I am not gonna show y'all baby girl whole entire book, because you absolutely need to go ahead and get this book for yourself. Once again, it is $25 with shipping. It comes up to $30. And y'all, this book, literally, she could have definitely charged more than $30 for this book, because just the first little like you guys just saw, the first initial flip through of it, I'm just like, okay, this video is over. I'm ready to go ahead, get into the book. It is an investment into yourself, and that's something that I'm also learning. Like, for myself, you have to invest into yourself, because I'm one of those people where I'm like, okay, I'm going to support my friend, do this. I'm going to support this person, do this. Like, I will support everybody else around me. But when it comes time to do something for myself, I get very hesitant. And I don't know if it's because maybe I feel like, okay, they'll go further than me or whatever the case is. But like I just told y'all, faith over fear. And my quote is always, where God guides, he provides. So without further ado, go ahead, hit the description box to purchase your book. And if you already have the book, go ahead, comment down below and let me know what's your favorite part about this book so far. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you will be seeing me reading it and telling you guys all about it. So maybe we could even start a book club with Baby Girl Manifest the Life You Want by B.Simone. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because subscribing costs absolutely nothing. I do not spam email you guys whatsoever. The only email that you get is to say that I posted a new video. And if your post notifications are on, then you will know that I posted a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.